Hey, we're at the National Hardware Show, checking out some of the cool things here, and we came to the CasusGrill booth. This is something I've never seen before, a biodegradable grill system. I've got Maher here. Maher, tell us a little bit more about this ability to be able to go and grill at the campground and be environmentally friendly.
So this is our very innovative, ultra-portable, instant biodegradable grill made from 4 ingredients only. It is ready to grill in 5 minutes. It grills for about 60 minutes. It feeds on the average of 4 adults. And when you're done, there's only 3 ingredients to give back to nature. You can compost it, put it in a campfire, throw it in a hole in the ground, or just any normal trash bin.
Maher,
it's a true masterpiece.
So Maher, now you mentioned 4 ingredients. Kind of walk me through what I'm seeing here, because I'm looking at one of the grills right now.
So right here we have the exterior, which is made from certified recycled cardboard. We have the thermal insulation, which is made from lava stone or expanded perlite. That is our own bamboo charcoal with a starter built in. And this is the grate, which is made from 100% bamboo and 2 pieces of cardboard.
So now when you start it, do you take that off and then start it and let it warm up and then put that on, or how do you handle it?
No, you can put it on. You take a lighter and you light up this corner, that corner, any of these corners, and in 5 minutes you're at 600 degrees ready to grill.
Nice, nice. Now I see that you've used this one today here for demonstration purposes. Now, if I were going to be cooking burgers, is this how it would look, or is this not? Was this not run for the full hour?
This was grilled on for about 2.5 hours.
Wow.
It really did.
And the cardboard didn't burn and...
So if you look right here, cardboard is completely intact.
Yeah.
The bamboo has taken a lot of beating, but it's still there. The actual bamboo briquettes, which are these right here, they have turned into ash. Right?
Oh, wow.
And the lava stone has become very brittle and has lost a lot of its thermal insulation value. So now it is ready to be tossed into a compost or any normal trash bin.
So you cooked for about 2.5 hours. What were you cooking on this? So again, to give people an idea of what?
Today we grilled sausages, pork bellies, bacon, peppers, a bunch of stuff. Everything was really greasy. That's why you see a lot of char stuff right here, because what we grilled was super greasy stuff. But it comes out amazing because this is a flameless grilling process.
Nice.
So there are no flames while you're grilling at all. Only beautiful radiating heat.
So Maher, now the big question people are going to ask is not only where can they buy it, but what are these individual one-time use grills? What are they costing?
They are retailing for $14.95.
Wow. So quick and easy for the campsite. And where can they find these?
It's available at Ace Hardware, World Market, Bloomingdale's, Academy Sports, and soon Bed Bath & Beyond and Macy's.
Excellent, excellent. And last question, website, where can they go to find more information?
CasusGrill USA. That's CasusGrill USA.com.
That sounds great. I want to show you guys, just before we wrap the video up, I want to show you that this is what they look like when you buy them. A kind of a little completely recyclable, and then that's where they come out of the package.
Out of the package, that is assembled in about 30 seconds, and this is completely consumed after 2.5 hours.
Excellent. Wow. A really innovative idea here, Maher. Really appreciate that. We'll put the link in the description below so you guys can check this out. But this is one of the cool finds here at the National Hardware Show.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.